Well, hi there. I'm Kristen, and I'm with One Focus Property Management. And today we're taking the tour of 935 East 2nd Street in Nescopeck, and this is apartment E1. It is a first floor apartment with one bedroom, one bathroom, and I'm gonna knock your socks off with a couple of the finishes in here. So sit back and relax. I am gonna take you through this entire place, and after I do that, I'm going to tell you how to make this the next place you're definitely calling home. So let's get started. Okay, we are starting outside today, so you can take a look at the neighborhood. Also, I want to just showcase how beautiful this little area is here, especially with the sun shining. And we're going to take a look at the outside of the property. So you're kind of dead in the middle here. Plenty of parking for everybody, so you can have some off-street parking and not have to worry about it. We are going to come into the entry door here, and we are greeted by the heart of this fantastic apartment. This is a nice large room. As you can see, it is open to your kitchen. You've got a little step up there to get into the kitchen area. There is plenty of room to set up a big, beautiful living room, dining room, office, whatever you would like. I love that you get the big sliding doors. Y'all can open these up in the summer, let the beautiful air in. You can see there is a screen door there that you can utilize. And there's even some curtain hardware to give you some privacy, so you can close that off whenever you'd like to. Now, when we go into the kitchen, I would say that you can certainly put a dining room table and chair set in here for sure, leaving this space open and available for living room furniture, maybe a little office, hobby space, things like that. But guys, look at this incredible kitchen, the subway tiles, the granite countertop, those beautiful white cabinets with matching white appliances. I mean, get out of here and be so real. This is absolutely gorgeous, and everything is nice and new. Now we're going to come down the hallway here. You can see there's a couple thresholds. So you do have a little bit of a lip there and then a step up there. Before we get into the next room, I'm just going to showcase this great closet here with a hang bar and a shelf in the hall. And next up is our bathroom. We've got another nice white vanity here. We've got a big medicine cabinet mirror, lots of storage in there. You've got this hidden little feature here. I love it. Your linen closet, and it's kind of like a little magic trick here. And then you have a nice wide handicap accessible shower. So this is nice and wide. There's no seat inside, but you have grab bar there. You've got a grab bar here. Nice tall shower head there. And then you have washer and electric dryer connections. So if you wanted to do a stackable unit, like an apartment size unit, you certainly could. And then last but not least, we are coming into the bedroom. This will give you enough space for a king size bed if you so desire. You've got your windows back here, so you do get some natural light. You kind of look over there, that little red thing, that's the dumpster. So you would go around the side of the building to dispose of your trash. You've got a nice double door closet here with a hang bar and a shelf inside. And then you have your electric panel, but you've got some additional shelves in here for even more storage. I absolutely know this place is blowing your hair back. So while you're clutching those pearls and trying to fix that hair up, here is what you have to do to make this amazing place your home. You need to go to our website at www.onefocuspm.com. You can look at the listing and find all the information about the property. You can book your tour, and you can even submit that application. If you'd like to talk to a live person today, give us a call at the office at 570-505-3347. At One Focus Property Management, we pride ourselves in helping people just like you find that next place that they're calling home. So check out the website, give us a call today, because we are anxious to help you make this your home.